Okay, so just setting out on a 4-day trip into backcountry here in mid-November. Heading with a couple high school friends, and it's pretty cold. -1 right now, or maybe around 0. Hopefully it warms up. Some snow on the ground when we came in. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, so we just made it to camp, and Gavin and Chris are setting up the new Nortent. It's a 6-person Nortent that they're setting up for the first time. I'm gonna try that out. We've got about 2 more hours of sunlight, and it's gonna get cold. So, get to it.
I don't know if it goes like through this or over top.
Cool. Very cool.
Oh.
Gavin and Chris are gonna sleep in the Nortent, and I'm gonna try and hammock camp. I'm trying to set up down here in the dip so the wind doesn't get me. All right, all done. Now, time to help the guys split some wood before the sun goes down. We cooking.
Oh yeah.
Tell us what you're making.
We got some sausages, boiling some water for some mashed potatoes, and then I roasted some broccoli last night. I'm gonna just throw that in the pan at the very end just to get some heat on it. And that's it. Come on down. 2 sausages.
Oh, yum. I get 2?
Yeah.
Yum.
Even.
Oh,
Here.
nice.
This is good.
Sweet.
There you go. Jake?
Yummy. Okay. Let's go.
Eat him out of this.
That's more than enough.
Do you guys have a favorite vegetable?
Broccoli's up there for me.
I was just thinking of that.
I like asparagus a lot.
Not a big asparagus guy.
I also really like cucumbers because they can become pickles.
I like tomatoes.
Ugh.
I know you're not a fan, but I love them.
Yeah, for me it's a texture thing. Like, I can't think of anything less appetizing than a hot burger with a cold, slimy slice of tomato in it.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Disgusting. What a nice meal. Yeah, you nailed this.
Thanks, bud.
Morning. It's a little chilly. It's about 10 o'clock. I actually slept in. Guys are up cutting wood. Probably getting a fire going. Leaves are covered in frost and wind's coming in. But overall, really nice sleep. Time to get up and do some exploring today.
Yo.
Okay, Chef Chris, tell us what we got for breakfast, bud.
We got a little back bacon, guys. English muffins and scrambled eggs. McDonald's trademark Egg McMuffins.
Nice.
Oh, and then cheese over here.
Okay, we're heading out and paddling to our next site about an hour away. And then we got a big hike for the day. See you soon. We just made it to camp number 2, and we're gonna hike up the crack and then come back down. Where are we going?
I don't know, because you are the one who's supposed to direct us.
What do you mean?
We're going up this cliff,
We know it's over there, though.
somewhere over there.
Let's go.
This is not scary.
Yeah. Can I have your camera?
Yep.
Can we see it?
That's where we stayed last night. The far lake.
we got?
I got some chili. It's gonna be good.
Like, how'd you make it?
Put some ingredients together, cooked it, dehydrated it.
That's good.
This looks so good, Gav. And it is so good.
Oh, hot sauce. Did you put it on?
Yep.
Could you give me a little bit? Way less than that. Yep, that's good.
I would go as far to say you can make this every camping trip.
Well, it's actually my mom's recipe.
Really?
It's I started from her recipe, but I do a few things different.
Okay, this trip's coming to an end. Guys are just packing their boat and just putting everything in. Another great trip. And yeah, we're gonna set out, go get some food at a place in Perry Sound called Trestle Brewing Company. And
Brought to you by today's sponsor, Trestle Brewing.
yeah, I wish they would sponsor me. That'd be nice.